Now we are going to see the number systems. In that topic, we are going to insert some rational numbers between the two numbers. Okay. So there are three methods to do these kind of problems. The method 1 is a plus b by 2. Okay. And the method 2 is n is equal to n plus 1. And method 3 is n should be greater than 3. These are all the three methods by which we can solve these kind of problems. So in this video we are going to concentrate about the whole numbers. Okay, here 2 is a whole number and 3 is a whole number, but we are going to find 8 rational numbers between these two whole numbers. Now first of all we have to convert this whole number into rational number. Any whole number can be converted into rational number by just placing 1 at the bottom. So now this 2 by 1 is called as a rational numbers. Okay. So my first step is, that is 2 by 1 and 3 by 1. So now these two whole numbers become rational numbers. Understood? Next, we have to find 8 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay. The best number among these three is, I'll suggest this n is equal to n plus 1. Okay. That is, n is equal to, n is number of numbers. This small n is nothing but number of numbers we have to insert between these two numbers. If it is 8, I'll place 8 plus 1. So the capital N becomes 9. So I am going to do multiple and divisible by this 9. Okay. So and our next step is 2 by 9 into, I am going to multiple by 9 and divided by 9 for this 2 by 1. So 9 into 2, 18. 1 into 9, 9. Next, for the second number also, we are going to multiple and divisible by the same number. That is 3 by 1 and multiple by 9 and divided by 9. So 9 into 3, 27 divided by 9. Okay. So now see the limits, and our first starting number is 18 by 9 and the ending number is 27 by 9. Now we have to insert 8 rational numbers between these two numbers. These two numbers are equal to 2 and 3. So 9, if we divide the 9 by 18, the answer is 2. If we divide the 27 by 9, we get the answer by 3. Okay, so that's all. So 18. So 18 after is 19. 19 by 9 is our next number. Next 20 by 9, 21 by 9, 22 by 9, 23 by 9, 24 by 9, 25 by 9, 26 by 9. That's all. From 18 to 27, we are inserting. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What they asked? Insert 8 rational numbers between 2 and 3. So we did it. This is the simple step. Now, like the same one, we are going to do the second problem. See here, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. What is the first step? We have to make this number, that is, if it is a whole number, we have to make it as a rational number. So I am making by divisible by 1. So now 3 becomes a rational number. Likewise, 4 divisible by 1. So now 4 also becomes a rational number. Now I need 6 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay. So now what shall we do? That is, n is equal to n plus 1. This is the best method, I already said. So capital N is equal to, small n is nothing but how many rational numbers they ask us to insert. So 6 plus 1. So the capital N is 7. Now we have to multiple and divisible this 3 by 1 by 7. Okay. Now we can get 7 into 3, 21. 1 into 7, 7. Likewise, 4 by 1, we are going to multiply by 7 and divided by 7. 7 into 4, 28. 1 into 7, 7. Now we are going to insert 6 numbers between these two. So first I am going to write this 21 by 7. Next 28 by 7. Now we are going to insert the numbers. Okay. So 21 after 22 by 7. Next 23 by 7. 24 by 7. 25 by 7. 26 by 7. 27 by 7. Now just we can count, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 rational numbers, so we did it. That's it. Next, likewise the same. Find 4 rational numbers between 3 and 5. Whatever the question may be. Okay. So don't worry about that. Check whether it is a whole number. In this video I am giving for the whole number only. Okay. So this is the whole number. So first we have to make it as a rational number. So that is nothing but divisible by 1. That is 3 by 1. This is our rational number. Then 5 by 1. Now 5 becomes the rational number. Now the main formula is n is equal to n plus 1. That is n is equal to. What is the rational number we have to insert? That is 4. So 4 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 5. Now we are going to multiply and divisible by 5 with these two numbers. So 3 by 1. I am going to multiply by 5 and divisible by 5. So 5 into 3, 15, divided by 1 into 5, 5. And the next number 5 by 1, the rational number, we are going to multiply by 5 and divisible by 5. So 5 into 25, 25, divisible by 1 into 5, 5. So now I am writing the first number, that is 15 by 5, and the last number, last limit is 25 by 5. Now we are going to insert 4 rational numbers between them. So here the base are same. That is more important. So after 15 I can write 16 by 5, 17 by 5, 18 by 5, 19 by 5, 20 by 5, 21 by 5, 22 by 5. Here I don't have the space, so I am writing here 23 by 5, 24 by 5, 25 by 5 is already here. Okay. Now see here, they asked only 4 rational numbers, but with this formula we can make this much, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can make 9 rational numbers in between these two numbers. So no need of writing the continuous number. You can omit this, you can omit this, you can take this, you can take this, you can omit this, you can take these two numbers and you can omit these two numbers, because in between the rational numbers there are infinite number of rational numbers are present. Okay. Now we are finding just around 9 numbers only, and in the question they are asking only 4. So you can omit any numbers and you can just write only 4. That is enough. So once again I am telling. So the method is, first one a plus b by 2, and the next method n is equal to n plus 1, and the third method n is greater than 3. The first step, we have to make the whole number into the rational number and check whether the denominators are same. And then after using this formula, what is the capital N we find? We have to multiply the number and divide the number. Okay. Now the starting limit and the ending limit we already fixed. So all the bases are same. We can increase the numerator by 1, and now we get the rational numbers what we asked.